The Nakkastepe National Garden, which was opened in 2018 with the slogan of Istanbul's New Balcony, was built on an old military land. Millet Park, leased for 29 years, has 250 picnic tables and a capacity to accommodate 2,500 people at the same time. The Nakkastepe National Garden has been designed to adapt to the modern age and is equipped with activity areas that will particularly interest the youth. When we look inside the Nakkastepe National Garden, picnic areas, promenade and rest areas, walking track, adventure park, fitness areas, children's playgrounds, biological pond, indoor children's playground, flying path, wooden bridge, amplifier area, scenic view terraces, archery field, tennis court. There are services such as male and female masjid and WC. If you ask where is Nakkastepe National Garden? Nakkastepe People's Garden is located in the old military area between Nakkastepe and Kuzguncuk. You can reach Nakkastepe Millet Park both from Uskudar and from Bağlarbaşı. When you want to reach via Bağlarbaşı, you have options such as metro bus and minibus, while if you want to reach through Kuzguncuk, there are buses and minibuses. You can come from Kadıköy by bus number 14M or 15F. From Umraniye and Uskudar, take the Uskudar Sekmeköy metro and get off at Bağlarbaşı. You can reach Nakkastepe People's Garden when you get off at the Nakkastepe stop by taking the bus numbered 14M or 15F in front of the Faculty of Theology. If you are coming from Esenler or Bayrampaşa, transfer to the metro bus. Get off at the July 15th Martyrs Bridge stop by metro bus. From here, you can cross the road and reach the bus number 15F or 14M from the bus stop under the bridge. Take the 129T from Taksim and get off at the July 15th Martyrs Bridge stop. When we look at the Nakkastepe National Garden entrance fee, Nakkastepe Millet Park entrance fees are valid for vehicles that will use the parking lot. There is no charge for pedestrians. Parking fee is 20 TL. Nakkastepe National Garden visiting hours in 2023. It is open to visitors between 8 o'clock and 2200 hours. But don't be late, because the lighting is not very good. You will spend your time in a dim environment. It is open every day of the week. Naturally, it gets busy on the weekends, so if you have the opportunity, it's a good idea to come during the week. Nakkastepe People's Garden. Unfortunately, barbecue is not available here. You are not allowed to light a fire. But you can bring a tube with you and fry your meat and chicken in a pan. It is also forbidden to light a samovar. You do not need to bring anything to eat with you. There is a nice cafeteria in the middle of the garden. There are many options such as pastry, breakfast plate, toast, tea and coffee. The business operates within the municipality. For this reason, the prices are very affordable. You can also choose your own breakfast table, which you have prepared by evaluating the picnic area. There are many different types of products such as breakfast products, daily hot/cold food products, beverages, tea, coffee, dessert and ice cream in the cafeteria operated by Uskudar municipality. When we came to Nakkastepe People's Garden, when we looked at the places to visit around it. 1. After leaving Nakkastepe People's Garden, you can visit Kuzguncuk neighborhood. 2. In Kuzguncuk, you can definitely visit the places where famous TV series such as Life Science, Ekmek Teknisi and Yasmins were filmed. 3. You can enjoy coffee at Kuzguncuk Botanical Garden. 4. You can visit the historical Kuzguncuk Garden. 5. You can walk in the direction of Pasa Harbor and visit Fethipasa Grove. While there are different areas for everyone who wants to do sports activities in the park, there are changing sections such as fitness areas, tennis courts and camping areas. Bicycle paths, such as the tennis court, which anyone with the necessary equipment can use within the time allotted for them, can be used by everyone who comes to the park. You can take advantage of all the opportunities offered by the municipality to wake up to the view of the Bosphorus in the morning, with a building that is becoming increasingly popular in the camping area. If you like the video, you can leave your likes and valuable comments. You can also subscribe to my channel for such videos. Have a nice day.